Good morning. It is 7:50 something. We are going to Myrtle Beach for the day. So we decided it would be good to bring y'all with us to see what a Buadums family beach day will look like. So we are almost all packed. We got my family in the front waiting for us. We got granny, sisters, family friend Phoebe. But yeah, we about to pack the car up and we will be headed out here in like maybe 10-15 minutes, we hope. We are at our first charging station. Yeah, so we got charged for about 50 minutes. Your girl's about to go into Target.
Forgive me right now. I'm handling some business, so concentrating on a few things.
Ace is knocked.
Shout out to Rajay in the back.
But yeah, I'm about to go into Target and find me some cool little beach stuff.
Give me some cookies and cream. Candy.
Oh, now we want road trip snacks.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
So we are in Target and I have found what I was looking for, but I have a dilemma. So they have the picnic blankets or the beach blanket, what I was gonna use it for $20, but they also have this cute little beach shelter thing, and it comes with a little mat that you can lay on for $30. So I'm thinking a smart buy would be the beach shelter. But yeah, that wasn't too bad, because normally when I come into Target, I'm just walking around just throwing stuff in the cart for no reason, stuff that I don't need. But today I actually needed stuff or something, and I feel like I'm doing good.
A few moments later.
I've been waiting for Zaina for about 40 minutes now. She's been in Target this whole time. That's why I don't really go to the store for real. But I'm super excited about this trip. We haven't gone on a trip as a family in a while, so this is gonna be just very fun, especially with everything going on in the world. Just being able to be close with family and being around love is very important. So I'm glad we're taking this trip, and it's gonna be another one for the books.
Of course, before we pulled out of Target, we had to stop at Starbucks to get us a little road sip, a little sip for the road, a little refreshment or whatever. I got the usual. I always get a grande iced green tea lemonade, light on the ice, okay? Jay got a mocha cookie crumble frappuccino. She ordered from the menu, basically. But yeah, so that's what we're doing right now. Got my little beach gear. We are running super late. We were supposed to have been at the beach by now. Like, I was supposed to be laying on the beach at this point, but I'm not. I'm still in Raleigh. But yeah, that's the update, and that's what we doing. That's what it's giving. My drink is ready.
We are on our way to Myrtle Beach.
Almost there.
Almost there. We have about 38 miles, 47 minutes.
Ready to touch some water.
Yeah, but we'll let y'all know when we get there. And it's gonna be a vibe. We just made it to Myrtle Beach, and of course, they got a charger. So all is good. We made, yeah, exactly. Exactly. Especially since we went on Orlando, we didn't know our hotel at first had a charging station, and we could have saved a lot of time when we had other activities and other things going on. You want to say hi? Say hi. So we're definitely gonna enjoy ourselves. We're about to be on our way to the hotel. So we'll see y'all later.
Finally up in this thing. Finally made it. We look crazy. Well, I look crazy. Speak for myself. As always.
It's going all the way up to the 16th floor, baby.
Penthouse vibe, but not a penthouse. Very much not penthouse, but very much penthouse vibes.
16th floor.
This is
So this is the vibe for right now. Real cute. Real cute. We got a little tour, okay? We got a little 2-bedroom. Real cute. Give me y'all a little tour. I'm just kidding. It's really a vibe though. Gonna get crunk. Not really. Got a little balcony vibe. To the beach, get all up in that, period. Finally on our way to the beach. We got little Ace already. We got everything loaded up. Finally.
what'd you say? Period.
Yeah, finally. Like, we've been waiting forever. So we about to go to the beach. Can't see the ocean because it's on the other side. But this is cute, so I figured I would share it with y'all because it's cute. Yeah, Ace got his little crab hat because mommy loves crabs. You can't even see because he not even with the crab hat. But yeah, we're getting on the elevator. As you can see, I'm hyped because I love the beach. Everybody else is already down there, but they stopped to get something to eat. We ate like maybe an hour ago.
I had a shrimp basket, which was amazing. Ooh, hush puppies and fries. It was.
And your girl had a shrimp quesadilla, of course. I mean, but anyways, so we ate. We all fed. Ace had shrimp quesadilla with mommy. Having some difficulties with this stroller. Yeah. There, you hit this, didn't you?
Oh, my bad.
Jesus. I think it's a little too windy. Sorry, Ace. So after the little windstone, we pulled up on people's at the table. It's only 2 of them. I don't know what everybody else, but my grandma thinks she's like Madonna out here. That's scary. Who you talking to? Hello. I'm weak. Hello. are obviously back at the hotel room. My fam is making some corn, little shrimp, whatever. And that's about it. They doing something. I don't know what they doing. Oh, it's a happy birthday, I think. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Yeah. I'm gonna indulge in. Heavy on them. I don't know how to do this, but for the freestyle.
It's time for the percolator.
Mom.
It's time for the percolator.
Like, why are you getting so close?
Huh? Oh, me too. When is it gonna come back? I don't think Star's gonna come on at all.
And it is Ace's bedtime. So we got Ace going to bed.
Well, she won't drive 7 hours for one day. So what? She won't drive 7 hours for one day.
It's bedtime. Good morning, you guys. Sadly, our last day. We have to check out in a little bit. It's 9:30. Yeah, so I came for a walk this morning to enjoy some outdoors before we have to get on the road.
Don't make you walk up on the alligator.
Yeah. That's where we at with it. I am gonna go to Starbucks in a second and get me something to drink. And then I'm gonna touch the sand for a second. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Derek is back at the hotel with Ace because he is taking a little nappy nap. He woke up really early. Just to enjoy before we leave. That's it. So you guys, we are finally home from our Myrtle Beach trip. Forgot to vlog the ending when we were leaving, but we are home. We are getting ready for bed. Ace just had his bottle and Ace is too comfortable.
Everybody catch some Z's because
We are
Lord
tired.
knows we need it. You know,
We are tired.
yeah, we've been just on the go for the past
Forever.
Exactly. So it's good to just be able to be home and just relax, you know.
Yep. So that's it. We appreciate y'all for joining us, having a lituation with us. It was fun, but
Yeah.
now
Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on your post notification
because if they ain't on, then I mean, like,
because
what is you doing? Like, really, what are you
You're gonna miss
doing?
the heat
Because what are you doing?
because we're just getting started.
Period. Like, what are you doing? But that's it. Hope y'all enjoyed this as much as we did. That's it. It's done. Say bye-bye. Oh.